Hello children, today in mathematics we will start with lesson for multiplication. To do multiplication we have to learn the multiplication table from 1 to 10. Let me start. If I will write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and tell you to add this number and get the sum of the number. What you will do, you will add 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So you will tell me the answer 20. As we are adding four numbers, we are taking time to get the answer. So in the easy way and to do faster, what we have to do, we will first count how many times 5 is there. 1 2 3 4. So if you will write 4 times 5 or 4 into 5, and if you know the 4 table, that is your multiplication table, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So you can write the answer 20 more faster than adding it and writing the answer. So children, we will today I will teach you multiplication, how to do multiplication and how it will help you to do the calculation in a easy and a better way. So children, this is your sign or symbol of multiplication. It is known as your into, or you can tell as times. And the answer we get after doing multiplication is known as your product. And the repeated addition of the same number is known as your multiplication. So we will start the chapter. Exercise 1. It is given observe and find in the blanks. Observe and fill in the blanks. It is given 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to dash, or 4 into 5 is equal to dash. So I have told you children, if you know the multiplication table, you can easily write this answer. 4 5s are 20, and if you will add 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. Second, 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10, or 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, or 3 into 4 is 12. So you can do this. Next we will come to question number B. Write the multiplication fact for the repeated addition. In this you have some numbers are given repeated addition, and you have to write the multiplication fact. Like first what you have to do, you have to count how many times the number has been given. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what we will write? We will write 6 times 3 is given. So this is known as your multiplication fact, where you have to write how many times the number is given into the number. So next we will do this number. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to, so how many times it is given? 1 2 3 4. So we will write 4 times 10. Then we will go for question number C. Write the addition and multiplication fact. In this question, both you have to do. You have to write the addition fact as well as the multiplication fact. It is given 6 times 1. That means it is telling that we have to add 1 6 times. So we will write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. You can add it. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. This is your addition fact. And in multiplication we will write same what is given in the question, that is 6 into 1. Let me do another number. It is given 8 times 2. So we have to write 2 or add 2 8 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 14 plus 2 16. And here you will write 8 into 2. So this is your addition fact and this is your multiplication fact. On the next page we will learn number line. So let me show you how to do the number line. Suppose if I will give you one question, 4 into 2. So what we have to do, we have to first draw the number line. You draw a line on the line so that it will be straight, and this number line start with 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let me take till 12. Remember, this number line will always start from 0. Now it is given 4 into 2. So how we will learn, how we will read it? We will read it as 4 times 2. See, it is telling that 4 times we have to do 2. That means 4 is your jump and 2 is your number. So how to count? We will not count 0. We will count from 1 and this is 2. So this is first, then 1, 2, second, 1, 2, third, 1, 2, fourth. Now you can put the jump. It should touch the line. So 4 times we have done 2. So as we are getting the answer here, we will put the down arrow that this is your answer, and we have jumped forward, so we will put forward arrow to show that we have done multiplication, and we can write the answer as 8. We can write the answer as 8. So like this you can do it in your book. As the first question is given 2 into 5. So the multiplication on the number line and fill in the blanks. 2 into 5. That means we will read it as 2 times 5. So first time 5 we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is your second time. So now you can make the jump from 0. Remember children, you will count from 1, but you have to make the jump from 0. So from 0 to you will go to 5. Then from 5 we will go to 10. You don't leave any space in this jump. You put a down arrow to show that this is your answer, and as you have done multiplication you will put the forward arrow. So the answer is 10. So you can do the second number by your own. Let's go to the second question. It is written, observe the number line and write the multiplication fact. So already the number line has been done for you, and you have to just write the numbers. So you can see at what number the jumps are there in 3, 6, 9, 12. Means at the count of 3. How many times the jump is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 into 3. Means 4 times 3 is there, and the product is 12. Now we will see the third number. See, at 2, counting of 2 numbers are there, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 14. And how many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps are there. So we will write 7 into 2 is equal to 14. I hope children you have understood. Always remember that you have to make the jump from 0, but you have to count the number from 1. Then these numbers, only the multiplication table is there, so you can complete these pages till 87. Till 87 you can complete it by your own. Only you have to write the table. Then in this next page, it is written making tables using skip counting. Skip counting means skipping number while counting. When you are writing the twos table, you have to see that it is skipping one number. 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4. So after 2, 4 is there. Means 3 is skipped. So in twos table, we are skipping one number and we are writing the table. In like that in table 3, 2 number are skipped and we are counting the third number. Like 3 ones are 3, then 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. In 4, we are counting the fourth number, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. In 5, we are counting the fifth number, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and so on. Now, next exercise 14. Find the product using table. I have told you children, you have to learn the table to do these answers. First number 5 into 4. So, what is the product of 5 into 4? That is your 20. Let me do another number. 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. Then in question number B, fill in the blanks. 5 ones are 5. So we will write 25. 3 into dash is equal to 27. So in 3 table, we will see where this 27 is coming. So 3 nines are 27. Then 10 into dash is equal to 10. So 10 ones are 10. Hope children you have understood. You will complete up to exercise 14.